Hey guys, I thought I'd show you how to use this slush puppy machine. I got a special guest with me today. Say hi, Paul. So let's show them how it's done. So we put that under there. So I'm going to go with both flavours. So we've got strawberry and cream and also blue raspberry. Gotta line it up. And I'm going to do a little bit at a time. About half and half. And that's how you do it. That's one tropical slush for you guys. Now, I always go with both flavours, and you do get a straw included as well. There you go. This is from Elevators with Alice and Paul, and I'll see you for the 60 subscriber special in the next couple of videos. I'll see you for that. Bye for now.